How to fix Google Home Hub not connecting to Wi-Fi. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If your Google Home Hub is not allowing you to connect to your wireless Wi-Fi router internet, then in this video I will show you some steps on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is turn the device around and you have the volume up and volume down button. You want to hold both of these buttons at the same time and it's going to factory reset the device. Once you do that, it's going to show that device will be factory reset. Once your device has been completely factory reset, you will have to restart the device. After restarting the device in your mobile phone, you want to download this application called Google Home. If you do not have that, you can open the Google Play Store, then search for Home. Then this is the application that you want to have installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the Open option. Now over here, if you already have the device of Google Hub listed here, then first of all, you want to remove that because you want to start this from the scratch. Once you have removed the Google Home Hub, you want to add it again. For that, tap on the devices option or tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the option of Add Device. Now you want to choose a home, then tap on Next. Now it's going to start looking for the device. Once you have found your Google Home Hub, you want to select that. Once it has been selected, you want to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Then it will take you some time for it to be connected to your wireless Wi-Fi router, and then it's going to say connected. Now you can finish up all the setup process, and once you do that, you will successfully hook up your Google Home Hub with the Wi-Fi. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.